Hi, good morning, children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, kids. How are you? I hope you are all safe. Yes. Before going to the topic, we should do warm exercise. Be ready, student. Everyone, sit in a place. Stand. Sit. Stand. Sit. Stand. Sit. Stand. Jump. Stop. Jump. Stop. Jump. Stop. Jump. Stop. Raise your hands. Put your hands down. Hands up. 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 Put your hands down. Okay, children. Sit in your place. Children, take out your workbook. Yesterday I gave work for you people. Yes. Money chapter 10.3 exercise. Yes or no? Do the division sums and multiplication sums I said. Yes. You should check now. Exercise number 10.3. Yes. 13th one. What is that? Multiply rupees 67 by 6. 67 by 6 rupees. Yes. 13th one. What you have to do? 67 multiply symbol into by 6. 6 sevens are 6 sevens are 42. 2 year 4 carry forward because see 42. Yes, in the 42 ones place you should write down. Again tens place which number is there? That number you should write up as a carry. Okay, next 6 6 are 36. 36 plus you should add this number. Carry is there na? That number you should add. 36 plus 4. 37, 38, 39, 40. What is that answer? 402 rupees. 402 is the answer. Understood, children? Next. 14th one. What is that 14th one? They are asking divide. Division they are asking. Rupees 84 by 7. Division. 84 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. Minus you should do. 8 minus 7. 1. That one you should write here. This 4 you should take down. Now 14. In the 7 table 14 will go? Yes, it will go. 7 twos are 14. Minus you should do. 4 minus 4, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. What is that answer? Rupees 12 is the answer. Understood, children? Next. 15th one. What is that question? Here multiply. Rupees 93 by 4. See? 93 into 4. 4 threes are, first ones place you should multiply. Yes. 4 threes are 12. 2 here, 1 carry forward. 4 nines are 36. 36 1, 37. What is that answer? Rupees 372 is the answer. Next. B question. What is the B question? 26 Division you should do. Divide is there. As this is A1, now B1. 26 by 2 rupees. 26 by 2. Division method. Divide the given as. Now, what you have to do? 26 divided by 2. As 2 ones are 2. 2 you should write here, minus you should do. As 2 minus 2, 0. You should take this 6 down. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Yes, that 3 you should write here, here 6. 6 minus 6, 0. What is that answer? Rupees 13 is the answer. Check it properly, children. Check. Children, check it properly. Next. 16th one. What is that question? Divide rupees 69 by 3. As 16th one, A1. Divide 69 by 3. 3 twos are 6. Minus 0. Here, this one you should take down. 3 threes are 9. 9 minus 9, 0. What is that answer? Rupees 23 is the answer. B1. What is that? This is also division only. Rupees 14 by 9. See? 14 by 9. 9 twos are 18. It will go? No. That's why 9 ones I should take. 9 ones are 9. Otherwise, first of all you should take 9 zeros are 0. Okay. 1 down. Again this 4 take down. Now 14. Yes. 9 ones are 9. In the 14, 9 should minus. 9 after up to 14 you should count. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers? 5. That 5 carry forward. See? Reminder. What is that? This is reminder. Understood? Right. Check it, sorry. Check it. Now take out your classwork, children. Everyone open your classwork, ma. Open your classwork because you should write applications as see, open your classwork and you should write application. Okay. Example 13. The cost of dozen bananas is 48. What is the cost of 3 dozen bananas? What is the cost of one banana? What you have to do? You should multiply and you should divide also. See, the cost of a dozen bananas is rupees 48. Okay. First question. What is that first question? What is the cost of 3 dozens bananas? 1 dozen is equal to how many bananas, children? Tell me. 1 dozen is equal to how many bananas? 12. As 3 dozen. 3 dozen means? See, 1 dozen. Solution. 1 dozen banana means how many bananas? 12. 12 bananas. As 12. 1 dozen is equal to how many? 12. Okay. What you have to do? 3 dozens you should find. As, see, first, what is the cost of 3 dozen banana you should find? As cost of 1 dozen bananas is equal to how many? 48. Cost. How much cost of 1 dozen banana? 48 rupees. Now, cost of 3 dozen bananas is equal to rupees 48 into 3. As 48 into 3. Should do like that or not? 48 into 3. See, now what you have to do? You should find first 48 into 3. Yes. See, 3 8s are 3 8s are 24. 4 here, 2 carry forward. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. See, what is the cost of 3 dozen bananas? Rupees 144 rupees. Understood? Next, B1. What is that B1? Cost of 1 dozen means 12 as bananas is equal to rupees 48. As now cost of 1 banana you should find. As see, 1 dozen means how many? 12. As you should find now cost of 1 banana. That's why what you have to do? 48 rupees. 48 divided by 12 you should find. As now 48 divided by 12 you should find. See, 48 divided by 12. 12 2s are 44. As sorry ma. See, this is 4 is a small number. That's why you should take to 2 numbers. As 12 4s are how much? 12 4s are 48. 12 4s are 48. 48 minus 48, 0. What is the cost of 1 banana? Rupees 4. Rupees 4 is the cost of 1 banana. Understood, children? Write in the classwork. After that, open your workbook, ma. Application part. Open your workbook. Now, if 1 kg apple cost rupees 80, how much money do we need to buy 5 kgs apple? 17th one. What is the cost of 1 kg apple? 80 rupees. Cost of 1 kg apples is equal to rupees 80. Now, how many kgs you should find? 5 kgs apple cost you should find. Cost of 5 kgs apples is equal to rupees 80 into 5. As 80 into 5. 5 zeros are 0. 5 eights are 40. What is the cost of 5 kgs apples? 400 rupees. 400. Yes or no? Therefore, to buy 5 kgs apples, we need to pay how much? Rupees 400. Yes or no, children? Right. Next, 18th one. What is the? If one book cost is rupees 29, what is the cost of 6 such books? What you have to do? You should multiply. As one book cost they given, you should find 6 books cost. Yes or no? 18th one. Cost of one book is rupees 29. Cost of 6 books is equal to 29 rupees 29 into 5. Sorry, 6. Because 6 books you should find. That's it. Okay. Now what you have to do? 29 into 6. 6 nines are 54. 4 here. 5 carry forward. 6 twos are 12. 12 plus 5. 12 after 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17. What is the cost of 6 books? Rupees 174. 174 is the. Therefore, cost of 6 books is equal to rupees 174. Understood? Right. Write in the classwork. Sorry, workbook. Write in the workbook, ma. Children, 19th one. Try it. You should try. Okay? Tomorrow I will write on the board. Is it right or wrong? You should check.